Today I'm taking out the wireless HDMI transmitter. I've used a handful of these dongles. This is probably the smallest one that I've seen. We got our LED indicator on there. We got R, so this is the receiver. We got our reset button, and we can see that that is HDMI. It's like we got some venting built in, and it is USB-C on the back. For the transmitter, same USB-C, same HDMI, same button. Okay, and we got some goodies. So we got our two power cables. Those are both USB-A to USB-C. We have a USB-C to HDMI adapter, so if we want to, we can use this to transmit from a USB-C laptop, so that's handy. And we have two HDMI adapters. Those both start out as female HDMI, and that will plug into a micro HDMI or mini HDMI. So that way, if you want to transmit from your camera or something like that, you can do that with this. So I'm going to plug the receiver into the back of my TV and plug power into that. And this is kind of nice, so it does actually give us instructions on the display how we're going to need to hook this guy up. So we got the receiver plugged into our TV, and we're just going to plug the transmitter into our laptop. So this will be a good time to use the USB-C dongle. So this is a Thunderbolt 3 port. Plug that in. Well, I was going to plug power in, but apparently we don't even need to because we are already streaming on our extender. Currently we are on duplicate. I'm going to switch this to extend. And then we can take this, we can drag it to that display. We can work on our laptop, we can watch videos over here. And because this is wireless, we can do this all entirely wirelessly. So that is a pretty handy option. Plus just the fact that we can just take this guy right to the couch, something like that, and we can watch everything on a big screen. That makes for a very nice little utility. This is also the first one I've ever seen that actually comes with an adapter to plug into a Thunderbolt port. So not requiring this cable, being able to draw the power directly from the USB-C in order to power the device, plus having this guy coming with that adapter, that makes this one of the nicer wireless transmitters that I've seen. So overall, I'm very happy with that.